Hello guys, welcome to Castro Oasis. My name is Luis. This is my 2013 C300 Plus Plus. The reason for the Plus Plus is because it has that 250 tune, even though it's at 300, and also came with AMG wheels and an interior package. So I've been very busy trying to start up this business, and it was a brand new construction from the ground up. So it has been about 2 years of really hard work, but we finally open and we're finally ready for business to welcome all of you guys. So this car was pretty much neglected for about 2 years, and now it was time to give it some love. So what we did was exterior detailing and interior detailing. That car is still not finished. We're still gonna apply PPF on the hood and on the fenders. We actually also gonna apply ceramic coatings on the rest of the paint. So the front frontal, we'll do a full front frontal for PPF, and then the rest of the car will have a ceramic coating on it, but that will be in a future video. So let me show you guys inside. So part of the AMG package is that the seat belts actually come red. This is our interior detail. You will see in the videos the before and after picture, which is kind of crazy. So now it's fully clean. And let me show you the display as well. So our next step, like I said, would be to do the PPF on the full frontal, and it would be to do the ceramic coatings. We're located at 80 Brindle Road, West Haven, Connecticut, and we'll hope to see you guys soon.